Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the vast expanse of space and time. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. As we explore the wonders of the universe, we'll delve into the latest news, discoveries, and mysteries that continue to captivate our imagination. Today, we're going to talk about a star that's getting ready to put on a spectacular show. The binary star system, T Coronae Borealis, also known as TCRB, is poised to erupt in a brilliant display of light, visible from Earth with the unaided eye. This rare event is known as a nova explosion, and it's a sight that astronomers and stargazers alike have been waiting for. Imagine a star that's been building up pressure and heat over millions of years, only to release it all in a sudden cataclysmic burst of energy. That's what we're expecting to see with TCRB. The star system itself is currently invisible to the naked eye, but when it erupts, it will brighten to a magnitude of EA2, almost as bright as the North Star. But what makes this event even more fascinating is that astronomers have been able to predict when it will happen. Using complex calculations and observations, they've pinpointed the exact day when the star will reach its critical point and unleash its energy into space. And that day could be very soon. As we wait for this celestial spectacle to unfold, let's take a step back and appreciate the incredible science behind it. The binary star system consists of a white dwarf star and a red giant star, locked in a gravitational dance. The strong gravity of the white dwarf is slowly stripping away the hydrogen from the red giant, creating an accretion disk that swirls around the white dwarf. As the material builds up on the surface of the white dwarf, it eventually reaches a critical point, triggering a thermonuclear explosion that blasts away all the accumulated material. This explosion is what we'll see as a brilliant flash of light in the night sky. So, get ready to witness a rare and awe-inspiring event that will remind us of the incredible beauty and power of the universe. We'll be keeping a close eye on TCRB and bringing you updates as more information becomes available. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat Day. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're exploring the wonders of the universe, and I'm thrilled to share with you a fascinating tale of cosmic proportions. Today, we're going to talk about a phenomenon that's as mind-bending as it is breathtaking: the Einstein ring. You might be wondering what an Einstein ring is. Well, imagine light from a distant galaxy being bent around the mass of another object, creating a stunning ring-like shape. This effect, known as gravitational lensing, is a direct result of Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. It's a testament to the power of gravity and its ability to warp the fabric of space-time. The James Webb Space Telescope has recently captured an incredible image of this phenomenon, showcasing an elliptical galaxy wrapped in a spiral galaxy. This chance alignment has created a perfect example of an Einstein ring, allowing us to study galaxies that are too faint and distant to observe otherwise. But here's the fascinating part. This effect is not just limited to distant galaxies. Gravitational lensing can occur on much smaller scales, like when a star in our own galaxy aligns with a more distant object. The Hubble Space Telescope has also spotted a chance alignment of a star within our own galaxy, which appears to be at the center of a stunning spiral galaxy called AIDailyPress 5530. As we explore these cosmic wonders, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the universe. From the intricate dance of gravitational forces to the serendipitous discovery of supernovae, every observation is an opportunity to refine our understanding of the cosmos. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible work being done by astronomers and telescopes around the world. Their tireless efforts are helping us unravel the mysteries of the universe, one observation at a time. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've had an incredible conversation so far, exploring the wonders of the universe and the latest developments in space exploration. As we wrap up today's show, I want to bring you up to speed on some exciting news from the world of space travel. You might recall that Boeing Starliner spacecraft has been facing some challenges after its first crew flight to the International Space Station last June. The mission was marred by issues with the vehicle's maneuvering thrusters, which prompted NASA to fly the crew home on a Crew Dragon vehicle instead. Well, it seems that NASA and Boeing are still working through those problems, and they've got a long line of tests ahead of them before Starliner can fly again. According to NASA, the agency is finalizing a test campaign that will take place this spring and summer to address the propulsion system issues. This will include integrated firing of key Starliner thrusters within a single service module doghouse to validate detailed thermal models and inform potential upgrades. It's a complex process, but one that's essential to ensuring the safety and reliability of the spacecraft. Now, you might be wondering when Starliner will fly again, and whether it will carry crew or cargo on its next mission. The answer is still uncertain, as NASA says it will depend on the operational needs of the space station. However, it's likely that the next Starliner flight won't happen until late this year or early next year. It's also worth noting that time is running out for Boeing to make a significant impact on crew flights to the International Space Station, which is due to be retired in 2030. Assuming an operational crew flight in 2026, Starliner would likely fly only 4 or 5 crewed missions to the space station before it's decommissioned. As we close out today's show, I want to leave you with a sense of excitement and wonder about the possibilities that lie ahead in space exploration. From the challenges faced by Boeing Starliner to the triumphs of SpaceX's Crew Dragon, it's clear that this is an industry that's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.